Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to delete response in Google Forms. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just have a Google Forms over here. So I just create the form. So I have a lot of response over here. So I got a response. So how to delete this response? So I can able to see the summaries. What are the summaries there in the form? So I can able to take a print. I can able to view in a Google Sheets. Everything will be there. So how to delete the response? So here there will be a questions will be there, so you can able to see the questions, what are the questions will be available, as well as individual will be there. Just hit the button individual, you will find a individual response will be there. So you can identify individual response and you can able to print or delete. Here there will be a print icons and delete icons will be given here. So if you want to print just hit the button print, automatically your response will be printing over here. So as you see here, so only one response is printing over here, so you can able to see. So if you want to delete this response, just click here to delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the response? This action cannot be undone. So just click yes, means automatically your response will be deleted. Now 1 out of 1 will be there, so the response will be deleted. So only one response will be available, as you see here. So you can able to see and you can able to identify to delete the response. So if you want to print the entire sheets and response, means you just go to response and just click here to print all. Response will be there in your three dots. You can click print all response. You can click means you can print the entire response and you can able to identify and get the report. Or if you want to delete the entire response, means just hit the button and delete all response. If you give means automatically it will delete entire response, so the response will be free and it will be 0. So you can use this option to delete and print this easiest form in Google. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.